What if you could create automated product titles for your ads? This can be done in a few clicks using a rule and a custom label. We can use seasonality as an example to add a focus to your ads. Let's jump straight in. First, click on the Feeds option in the menu bar. This will open up your list of export feeds. Now go ahead and click on Rules. Then you will need to create a new rule by clicking on the plus sign. Once that's done, let's give it a name. For this example, we will use Winter Sale. Go ahead and type that in, then hit the Create button. Next, you'll see an If section. Select Current Date from the Internal Fields dropdown. And next on the dropdown, choose Is On or After. Now you can select the required date for this rule. You can either choose date and time or just the date. Next, click the plus sign on the right and select And. You'll see an And section appear. Here, select Current Date from Internal Fields again, but this time choose in the drop-down menu Is Before, and again select your end date for the rule on when you want to end. Next, click the plus sign on the right again and select, and from the drop-down, select Project Fields, and then Sales Price. After that, choose Isn't Empty. Now we're going to make the custom label. If you need to create a custom label, you need to go to Setup. Click on Project Fields, Add Project Field, and type in Custom Label. Make sure under Type you selected Text, and click on Save and Import. Now return to your Rules section. Now by the Then section, select Project Field, and take Custom Label 4 and set its value to Winter Sale. This is where you define what your custom label will be for this campaign. Click the plus sign again on the right again and select And. From the drop-down under Project Fields, select Title and choose Combine Value. Here you can write the text that you want to add to your campaign title. Here we will write Winter Sale as an example. Click the plus sign next to it to add the field Title. Once you've set everything, you're almost done. Click the Save Rule button at the bottom to lock it in, and now you have it, a rule set up. Now you can click on selected items and you will see all the titles will be updated for that period that we have just set up. Follow us for more content, so you can learn more tips and tricks or gain insights about e-commerce. Or go to channable.com to learn more.